start part 2 here. I'll drive my truck up and shovel, well, a bunch of snow into the back, and then back it up here and huck it on top of this pile. And you can see, I mean, I'm standing up in the back of my truck right now. It's pretty much everywhere. Practically, I mean, I can touch the electrical wires. So now I'm kind of going to the backyard, which hasn't been shoveled at all. I haven't actually been back here, but just to see how much snow, and you can see the snow pile comes all the way back here. So maybe if I go back and get a better view, but quite big. Now here's our backyard. This is like laughable that I'm going to try to walk back here right now, but up to my waist. Okay, now it's not so bad, I guess. I'm kind of going down to my knees, but whoa, you can see it's a lot taller than that. I mean, I don't really have a clue how to tell how deep this is. 4.5 feet, maybe more. Because I'm sinking down, but I'm not going all the way down. It's about to my waist or something as far as I sink, but anyways, you get the idea. It's a lot of fucking snow. So that's it from Boston. Hope everyone's staying warm.